Eczema. Introduction. Please point to the epidermis. Choose one of the following options. Correct. This is the outer layer of skin called the epidermis. Atopic dermatitis is an allergic condition that makes your skin dry and itchy. Select true or false. Correct. Atopic dermatitis is the most common type of eczema. The backs of Scott's hands have developed coin-shaped patches that are very itchy. They are scaly and crusty. Should Scott contact his healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Scott may have eczema. He should contact his healthcare provider. Don's friend Jan has eczema on her hands. Is it safe for Don to touch objects that Jan has touched? Select yes or no. Correct. Don should not be afraid of getting Jan's eczema. Eczema is not contagious. It cannot spread from one person to another. Can treatment cure eczema? Select yes or no. Correct. Eczema is often an ongoing condition. Treatment can help relieve the symptoms of eczema and prevent flare-ups. Thank you for using Explain.